Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi TT 2.0 TFSI 40 S-Line S Tronic. It comes dressed in the stunning Myth Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording, this automatic beauty has done 2,500 miles. Rolling on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs. To the rear, you have the leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit and the MMI multimedia. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the S and Boss logo and manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips with a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite FM and DAB radio stations, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. And finally, the sound entertainment of how you would like to listen to your music. The MMI multimedia display showing in the cockpit to use your mobile phone device by connection of the car's USB, maps to help you easily find your desired destination with a wide view, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family on those long journeys, radio to choose your favourite DAB and FM radio station to sing along to, and the car menu to choose your preferred driving mode, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. To the side of the car's dash, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature. Finishing with the automatic gearbox and the control panel to use on the MMI multimedia display, with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to this car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.